Welcome back, gang. Here we are, third night working on this big 2011 RZR. We have got our ball joints in, A-arm bushings. The mechanic is on it right now, taking her apart. We'll soon be ready to go. Remember, anybody needing a shock light, Amazon, 10 bucks. Probably the best shock light around. Alright, what Josh is in the middle of right now is taking the bolt out of the tire off. He's doing what I was doing. Anybody looking for good cordless tools? D-Walk can set you. I could have got it for him, but I'm the cameraman, I guess. Yep.
See how much better it was?
The other night in the video, you all seen me take the rack pinion steering on. I hurt my side. I couldn't work the next day hardly. My back killed me.
Do what?
Yeah. I pulled a muscle right there on my left side. I couldn't do me nothing.
Back here. What? That wasn't hot. Wait a minute, no. Well, it's got plenty of play, but not that way.
Let me get that hub off her where I got something hit. It's almost off. I'm gonna try to get that out of there too. It's a nut trapped between the radiator and the shield.
You want to hold up on that axle?
This axle won't come out with it.
Yeah.
Without doing like yours. It'd be nice if that axle was out of the way. You scooch over and I won't pull on it a little bit. Hope parts don't go flying. Well, let's get this out of the way. We'll be back shortly. I only got 2 hands. We've got the shock up here out of the way. We have removed the axle. I took the brake line loose from the A-arm. It goes on the inside of the A-arm here, like this. Let's pull this brake caliper up, set it to the side. Now you got plenty of room to remove A-arms, take your bushings out. However you want to do it, you can do it.
Sure.
Everybody's got shafts. Let's see. 15.
We take the A-arms off, put ball joints in,
Yeah.
then go back to bushings.
Then we gotta put a. Did you get that hub off of the?
It's sitting right there, soaking in PB black. Yeah, they would want it.
Personal, what is it called?
Huh?
Public service announcement. I'll see y'all in a while.
Say it.
Alright. Never hit this with a hammer. It is beat up and we cannot remove it from the hub. So we're letting it soak. We'll try her in a little bit.
That cup ain't got no play in it.
So you're saying this would be a good razor to buy?
Yeah, but he won't sell it. I told him price it 4 or 5 times. He won't sell it.
I told her up there, I said, if he'd name his price, I can pay him in $1 bills. That way you feel like you got more.
Now hold on a second. This might pinch my hand though.
Got it?
Yeah. Stand up, you newborn calf.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna make it easy. It's rolled around 3 or 4 times.
Oh, you already on top of them.
Oh yeah, I'm already.
I thought we was okay.
I'm getting it. You ready?
I think so. Take the extension off.
That must be tight.
Finally gets to use his bearing press.
You ready?
Yep. No, it's tightening. Did you hear that sucker tightening?
No. I must have hit it when I was taking the socket off.
God, you strong, boy. We're trying to. Well, he'll sell it. Alright, where'd you crack his pair of vice grips at? That's the one I'm on red.
Sound like it's raining.
Whining. It's raining. Don't matter in here.
Thank the good Lord for the roof over our head.
Yep.
Gonna be raining on me all day tomorrow though, me out there trying to work.
I'm telling you, only the what brand name is this?
China?
I think it's Snap-on.
Snap-on. That won't tighten.
What?
That, you can tighten it up all you want.
Is that why it kept loosening up on me? Why don't you?
Anybody want to sponsor us? We like the Vice Grip brand. Vice Grip.
The right way?
Both sides look the same.
All right. We'll work on that first. Now, we're going to get y'all set up here on the beat stand.
Oh, you got the old bearing out, new bearing back in.
Well, do you want to cook? Like you said, we had different sets of snap ring pliers.
Do those 2 sets of
All right, bushings go in.
Put one set back in there. I'm looking for the set that spreads it, not
Squeeze it together.
Then the steel sleeve that you took out earlier goes back in
Maybe. It's not here.
with a hammer. If y'all could only see how I
There was
got y'all
4 of them
see.
in there, Josh. 2 it opens and 2 it closes.
See, Dad really want me on camera now.
And voila, there you go. There's a clip ring in here you have to remove.
It's about to snap me an eyeball with a pepper.
This looks like a better set than I use of
I don't know about that. They come with new snap rings?
I think so. Yeah. These must be upper. No, they also If you can't get the snap ring off, you just chisel it off any way you can get it.
Did you get her?
Touch it off.
We've got the new ball joint and
Look
wheel.
at that.
These ball joints still had a little bit of life left on, not much.
Joe's like, I want to make sure.
There's that ball joint out. Never in my life have I seen a cameraman who can get these good at angles.
Oh, then he's playing. He's blasted. He's good as new.
That's the reason we got 19 pair of bicycles in our report.
Little lube never hurt nobody.
Put some extra slick on it, it'll work good.
Oh, she tight. Didn't know we were a full production team, did you?
Charge.
You get that on camera?
Yeah.
All right.
Claws. My claws.
Charlie done poked me in the eyeball for me before.
No, it's a Reese piece.
Same difference. Piece of metal's gonna spring off and smack me.
I told him, I said, watch your eyes. And about that time,
I thought he had it
here
off.
it comes.
I thought he had it off, and cause I heard ting. About the time I opened my eyeball up, I turned around and looked, and he was still fooling with it. And it popped off her. Without even tightening it up. It's already tighter than what it was before. That's through there. Nothing, I just looked at you and you say what? Uh-huh.
Got 3 inch under them nails.
I don't know. I don't know if it is or not.
Tighten that up. Oh, yeah. That was a good sign.
Let me take tar off for you. Yeah, this was a good side.
Somebody had a zip towel. No!
John went and broke it.
What'd you break?
They're playing with these.
Oh, son!
Good grease in? Nothing.
Brand new boat.
So good, bad.
I'd pump it hard, a lot harder, that way it'll just spin.
Hold on, Liz. There it is. Yep, that's how it works. Just a little short clip. Son, we're getting good. Don't smack this and don't smack the spline. Smack. What are you looking for?
Come a little bit.
Go back on? Yeah.
One side, what you talking about, it's gonna turn sharp on the other side.
Get back for a second.
Right when we back done with it.
Good Lord, it's been 3 years since I've waited on new reps and smacked this steering wheel with.
It moved up that far.
Did it?
Looks like it is. Every time you beat it, it popped up. And
I never
you beat it
did.
again, it go back down.
I never did feel it move. Wheel straight.
Going that way, going that way, so you should be straight.
Eagle at it.
That don't have to be perfect straight for me when I'm driving.
He said I own a Chevy.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, gang. We were glad to take you along for the ride of this rebuild. All new front end. The only thing not changed is the axles. New A-arm bushings in the back, wheel bearings all the way around. The only thing left to do to this one is brakes. And they should be in a couple of days, and I might bring you along for that video, which brakes are pretty simple. But until next time, God bless you. Remember, if you enjoy the content we bring to you on this channel, to like, subscribe, click the little bell so you'll be notified when we make new videos.
Send us some money.
Send us some money. And we'd sure like to grow this channel and just put a smile on your face, however we can do it. But until next time, we'll see y'all later.